Dear children, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Chotu's house. Let me have a look on the pictures first. Here it seems this boy, he is Chotu. In the second picture, some children are playing and another boy is sitting over here. Okay, it seems he don't have any house or home. Here again we can see one pipe is there and Chotu is sleeping in that. Okay, here again we can see in some part Chotu has made as another place to do some household work. Here again you can see this is Chotu's house. Okay, this seems Munnu, and here again they both are chatting happily and having tea, right? Okay, so let me start. What else is? Chotu came to Ahmedabad for the first time. We have seen so many people, they are going far away from their family in search of work, right, to earn the money. So same way here Chotu also has come to Ahmedabad in search of some work, but it seems he is unknown of this place. Even he don't have any house over there, so he just looked around and he has seen the pipe over there. Okay, so he make this pipe as his home. He thought कि let me make my home in this pipe. Okay, now while looking around, he has seen one small boy, one little boy. He is sitting alone there. It seems he also don't have any house. Okay, now see how Chotu has occupied this pipe. In some areas he made his bedroom, then some area he is using as his bathroom, right? Okay, now while looking he seems that Munnu does not have any house, so he told him to come and live with him. You can see in this picture they both lives happily and chatting nicely, right, and sharing the tea. Okay, now I would like to tell you is you will have to color these all pictures and make it beautiful, and I know you all can do it. Okay, now let me think and tell. Study the pictures carefully and answer the following. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Okay, what do you think that Chotu had thought? Okay, so let me tell you. Chotu thought that he could live in this pipe. Okay, what Chotu has thought? That he could live in this pipe. Okay, how did Chotu use the pipe? Then what did Chotu do? Okay, Chotu made that pipe his home. Into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? So let we see. One is like a bedroom, then a bathroom. Okay, then some part it's for cooking, and even in this picture he made like meeting with his friends. So we can write that Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding areas into sleeping area, then cooking and bathing, and even living areas. Okay, in which part of this house would Chotu like to spend most of the time? So we can see is in almost all the pictures Chotu lives outside of pipe, right? So we can say that Chotu would like to spend most of his time outside the pipe. For doing what? So for doing his daily task like bathing. Okay, here he is cooking here. Then here he is sitting with his friend, right? So meeting, cooking, bathing, everything he was doing outside as the pipe. Okay. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Because as like him, Monu is also new in Ahmedabad, right? And had no place to live. So Chotu invited Monu to live with him.